is a very unique song because it's a song which has its story, which is about 66 years back in Chennai, in Chennai Sanskrit College. It was called Mylapore Sanskrit College. And the song has wonderful connections with two great Mahatmas. One is Kanchi Mahaperiva, and the second one was Sri Ammalu Ammal. We saw the first song, which is Durga Thunai Iruppal Namakku, set in the Raga Durgam. And that song, the Saili or the style of the song was inspired from a similar song which was graced by Ammalu Ammal, Durga Prasannavadalu in Durga Raga. But the content is all purely beautiful content from Bhagavatam. Now this song which we are going to talk about is actually indirectly referring to the origin of the Kannada song written by our Ammalu Ammal, which goes in Durga Raga. And that is the beauty of this song, where our Swamiji is pleading with the daughter of Daksha, Dakshayini, which is Shakti, which is Uma, which is Parvati, in her next incarnation. And there our Swamiji is with tremendous dhainyam, with tremendous simplicity, he is praying for the compassion of Dakshayini. Dakshinyam kurume Dakshayini. I seek your compassion, mercy, Dakshinyam. And he hastened to add, Achintita mama gunadoshao. You don't please consider what is the positives and negatives in me, Devi, but you should shower your compassion, your causeless compassion, without considering my pluses and negatives. And then Dakshayini, the Anupallavi, talks about the greatness of Dakshayini. Daksha Yajna Vinashini. She is the one who completely destroyed Daksha Yajna for the sole reason, even though Daksha was her father, he did not understand the greatness of Shiva. Even that is, of course, even that is not very bearable. But he insulted Shiva Namam. And when he insulted Shiva Namam, our Dakshayini flared up in rage and said, Dvayaksharam nama gireritam janaha. These two words called Shiva, if it dances in the lips of people, all the sins are washed away, and you seem to have an aversion to such a Parama Mangalam, such a Parama Kalyana Namam called Shivanama. And then she said, I can't bear to bear this body which bears your name, you see. And so she destroyed the Daksha Yajna completely. And who is she? Pakshi Vahana Sodari. Pakshi Vahana is Garuda Vahana, which is our Narayana. She is Narayani, isn't it? She is the sister of Pakshi Vahana Sodari and Parama Kalyani. And Parama Kalyani means the one who always blesses auspiciousness. Her name, her presence, her thought inspires auspiciousness in all of us. So our Swamiji calls Dakshayini, Parvati Devi, Uma Devi as Parama Kalyani.
Dakshinyam kuru me Dakshayani. Dakshinyam kuru me Dakshayani. Achintita mama gunadosho. Achintita mama gunadosho. Dakshinyam kuru me Dakshayani. Dakshayajna vinashini. Dakshayajna vinashini. Pakshivahana Sodari Parama Kalyani. Pakshivahana Sodari Parama Kalyani. Dakshinyam kuru me Dakshayani.
1954 in the Sanskrit college. It was Navaratri time, just exactly 66 years back. Our Kanchi Mahaperiva was camping in the Sanskrit college, and when Mahaperiva was camping in Chennai, Ammal was also there with her relative's place. Our Kanchi Paramacharya ordained her to come to this puja, to our Chandramoulishwara puja. And our Ammal also came. At that very moment when Ammal was in the presence of our Kanchi Mahaperiva, it seems our triplicane Parthsarthi is not far off, isn't it? So our Parthsarthi Perumal sent his prasadam to Kanchi Mahaperiva. Kanchi Mahaperiva accepted the prasadam, and then after showing its due respect, immediately threw the prasadam at our Ammal's lap, because that's how sannyasis blessed with prasadams. And the moment it landed on her lap, immediately Ammal went into a trance and graced the song, which is Durga Prasanna Vadalu Inda. In that, very beautifully, she talks about the decoration which was done for Chandramoulishwara Swami on that day. That was a Davanotsava, or there is a very beautiful smelling leaf called Dhavanam, and it's called wormwood, okay, or Marukolundu also it is called. And our Kanchi Mahaperiva has beautifully decorated that day our Chandramoulishwara Puja place with Dhavanam. So in that song, that ambience immediately finds its place in the song. In that she sings Dhavana Bannavalu. She has the lovely complexion. Dhavana Bannavalu, Dhavana Mudivalu, Dhavanotsava Priyalu, Dhavana Vanadali, Dhavala Gangadharana, Deviyage Nindalu, Inda Durga Prasanna Vadalu. And our Swamiji, inspired by that song or moved by the song, himself graced this song, where in the actual charanam he sings Skanda Janani Sukanda Veni. Why? Davana Mudivalu. Our Uma Devi's tresses are themselves naturally very sweet smelling. Imagine Dhavanotsavam on the tresses, on the wonderful tresses of our Uma Devi, how much Sugandham it would be. So our Swamiji says, you are Skanda Janani, you are the mother of Muruga, and you have such a sweet smelling tresses. Your hair is smelling very sweet. And since it's a Chandramoulishwara Puja, for those who are conversant with Kanchi Kamakoti Pita's Puja Paddhati, knows that the Devi is the Chakravasini there. That Sri Chakram is the Devi. So, Sri Chakravasini. And see, our Mahaperiva's name, which is same as Paramashiva, our Bhagavan Shiva's name, has also come in the song Chandrasekhara Kamini. And she is the one who actually Davana Vanadali Dhavala Gangadharana Deviyage Nindalu. Since she is the Devi of Gangadhara, here our Swamiji, because of that ambience of our Mahaperiva doing the puja, the words which fell in this Madhura Geetam is Chandrasekhara Kamini, and the same thing, Davanotsava Priye. The Utsava, Dhavanotsavam is, the Archana is done with Dhavana, and the entire Sannidhi is decorated with a wall made of Dhavana leaves, that wormwood leaves. And Dhanava Nashini. Dhanava Nashini means people who are, the demons are completely destroyed by Dakshayani. And then our Swamiji's mudra, Muralidhara Nuta, our Swamiji's name, saying that I am worshipping you, Nuta, Mahishasura Mardini. The sloka, which is, traced to our Adi Shankara Bhagavad Pada sloka on our Uma Devi is Mahishasura Mardini sloka. So the same word comes. A Asura who is in form of Mahisha was completely vanquished by our Durga Devi when all the deities, all their Shaktis was inspired the moment Durga Devi came and manifested herself, and with all the Shaktis of Brahmi Shakti and our Vaishnavi Shakti and the Shiva Shakti, everything came together for the Mahishasura Mardhanam. And our Swamiji remembers that wonderful sloka by Adi Shankara Bhagavad-pada. Most of us believe that it is Adi Shankara Bhagavad-pada who blessed that sloka, and he concludes the song by saying, Murali Dharanuta Mahishasura Mardini Dakshinyam Kurume Dakshayani. Please shower your grace on me without considering or without even thinking about my guna, positives, my qualities, good qualities, and dosha, my defects. Please don't consider all that. And eschewing positives and negatives in me, shower your compassion. Apt song for Navaratri, covering 3 wonderful Mahatmas, our Swamiji, Adi Shankara Bhagavad-pada, our Kanchi Mahaberiva, and Ammal Ammal. Radhe Radhe.
Skanda Janani Sugandhaveni Skanda Janani Sugandhaveni Shri Chakravasini Chandrasekhara Kamini Shri Chakravasini Chandrasekhara Kamini Davanotsav priye Danavanashini Davanotsav priye Danavanashini Muralidharanuta Mahishasuramardini Muralidharanuta Mahishasuramardini Dakshinyam Kuru me Dakshayani Achintita mama gunadosho Dakshinyam Kuru me Dakshayani